In this video, I'll show you how to create bar charts in Monday.com. Start by opening a dashboard or creating a new dashboard from the sidebar. Once the dashboard opens, click the plus add widget button near the top of the screen. From the widget list, select the chart widget. After adding the widget, connect it to the board containing the data you want to visualize. To do this, click the Connected Boards button at the top and select your boards that you want to connect. Now, open the Chart Settings panel. Click the three dot menu icon, then select Settings from the drop-down. Under the chart type, select Bar Chart. Next, choose the columns that will control the chart data. For example, you could use the status column to compare how many tasks are done working on it or stuck. As you adjust the settings, the chart preview will update automatically. Once the chart looks correct, exit the panel, then resize and reposition the widget anywhere on the dashboard. Bar charts help teams compare information quickly and make project trends easier to understand visually. And that's how to create bar charts in Monday.com.